seedless vascular plants. So these plants have xylem, transports water, and phloem, transports the sugars, but they lack seeds. So we know these as your ferns, and your ferns pretty much, there are many ferns that grows as epiphytes. So your typical orchid is an example. Ferns are really cool because they look like they're from the Jurassic period, and we see a lot of these in movies showing dinosaurs. We also have some plants that are gymnosperms. So they have vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, and they do produce seeds. So your cycads and ginkgos are examples. Your pine trees producing pine cones, these are also examples of your gymnosperms. So the seed is actually on the tips of the cones. Most importantly, they lack flowers. So your conifers, pines and redwoods, and these are some examples that we see. Ginkgo, cycads. The most wide known group of plants are called angiosperms, and they are vascular, they have seeds, but these are the only plants with flowers. Of course, your flowers, which are your reproductive organs of plants, these specific types of plants called angiosperms. And so, for the most part, petals are very colorful because they attract their pollinators. There's the stamen, anther, and filament. So, your male region of the flower where your anthers have the pollen. Your female part, stigma style ovary. Of course, from your ovary develops your fruit. And of course, fruit is one way that these plants are able to distribute because organisms eat fruits contain the seeds, and then they are distributed far away from their original points.